Is it the right time to buy or sell the SPY ETF? Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to take a deep dive into the SPY ETF. We previously shared a report on our website, but now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. To stay updated on all our latest analysis, make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell. We want to make sure you don't miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Take your trading decisions to the next level with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4, available at StockInvest.us. This powerful tool provides free price predictions and deep analysis for over 25,000 companies worldwide. Don't miss out on tapping into the power of AI. Lastly, please remember that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since November 2, 2023, our system has identified SPY as a buy candidate, with a score of 1.43. Let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. Investors who followed our analysis would have experienced a remarkable gain of 13.18% since we first recommended SPY as a buy candidate 58 days ago. This equates to an average daily return of 0.23% since it was listed as a buy candidate. In the short term, the ETF is currently experiencing a strong upward trend. This presents an opportunity for short-term traders to consider selling, as we can expect a reaction back towards the lower part of the trend. Keep an eye out for a potential breakup at the top trend line at $490.53, which would indicate an even stronger rate of rising. Looking ahead to the next 3 months, the current trend suggests a potential 13.7% change. This means there is a possible return between 9.57% and 14.41% within this timeframe. For the next 12 months, the trend suggests a 16.97% change. This translates to a potential return between 2.69% and 17.17%. If all goes well, we could see the price range from $500.57 to $571.16 after a year. Our latest update for the SPY ETF brings some exciting news. It has been upgraded to a buy candidate. On the last trading day, Friday, January 26, 2024, the SPY ETF price experienced a slight decrease of -0.117% from $488.03 to $487.46. Throughout the day, the ETF fluctuated by 0.530%, reaching a low of $486.54 and a high of $489.12. Over the past 2 weeks, the price has risen by 2.33% and has shown positive gains in 7 out of the last 10 days. Interestingly, the trading volume also decreased on the last day, which can be seen as a positive sign since volume should follow the ETF. On that day, the trading volume fell by -9 million shares, with a total of 62 million shares being bought and sold, amounting to approximately $30.29 billion in transactions. Looking at the ETF's performance over the past 52 weeks, its highest price reached $489.12, while the lowest price was $380.65. Currently, the price is 0.34% or $1.66 below the 52-week high of $489.12. It's worth noting that this is also the all-time high for the ETF. Today, we're going to discuss the signals that have been identified for SPY, the popular ETF. The SPY ETF currently holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, which indicates a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, the relation between these two signals shows a general buy signal, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. In case of any downward corrections, there is expected support from the lines at $484.04 and $473.33. However, if the stock breaks below any of these levels, sell signals will be issued. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. However, it is worth noting that some negative signals have also been issued, which may influence the near short-term development. One such signal was a sell signal from a pivot top point on Thursday, January 25, 2024, resulting in a -0.117% decrease in the stock price. There is potential for further decline until a new bottom pivot is found. On a positive note, the volume of trades decreased along with the price during the last trading day, reducing the overall risk as volume tends to follow price movements. In the long-term chart, the ETF had a golden star signal on Monday, March 27, 2023. This rare combination occurs when the short-term moving average, long-term moving average, and price line meet in a special way. It often precedes significant gains for the ETF. Let's explore some other signals that you might find interesting. The moving average convergence divergence gave a buy signal. Pivots indicated a sell signal 2 days ago. Bollinger Bands showed a buy signal 2 days ago. The short-term moving average indicated a sell signal 9 days ago. The long-term moving average gave a buy signal 59 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages resulted in a buy signal 56 days ago. If we take a look at the 12-month chart, we can observe the following. The short moving average indicated a sell signal 9 days ago. The long-term moving average gave a buy signal 53 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages resulted in a buy signal 42 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Today, let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for SPY. SPY, the popular ETF, has an interesting support level at $472. This level has seen a lot of buying activity in the past, indicating that it may act as a support again. When a support level is tested, we often see an upwards reaction in the price, making it a potential buying opportunity. It's important to note that SPY tends to have controlled movements overall. With good liquidity, the risk associated with this stock is considered very low. In fact, the ETF only moved $2.58 between its highest and lowest price in the last day, which is only 0.530% of its value. Over the past week, the average daily volatility of SPY has been 0.579%. Today, we'll be diving into some potential day trading levels for SPY. If the market is showing an upward trend, keep an eye on the first resistance level for SPY, which is at $488.03. If you're not yet invested, it might be wise to wait until this level is breached before considering a position. However, if you already own SPY, this level could be a great opportunity for swing trading. On the other hand, if the market takes a downturn, SPY will encounter its first support level at $472. If this support level holds, it could potentially be a good entry point for traders who anticipate a rebound. Our recommended stop loss for this ETF is set at $470.77, reflecting a decrease of 3.42%. This ETF exhibits low daily movements, translating to lower risk for investors. However, it is important to note that the RSI 14 currently stands at 81, which significantly increases the risk associated with this investment. 1 day ago, a sell signal was generated from a pivot top, indicating a potential shift in market sentiment. Is SPY ETF a good buy? Based on our analysis, we believe that the SPY ETF may present a buying opportunity in the short term. Several positive short-term signals, along with a generally positive trend, support this conclusion. We have upgraded our analysis from a hold/accumulate rating to a buy candidate. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems have identified that the current price of the SPY ETF is undervalued. Looking ahead to Monday, January 29th, we anticipate that SPY will open up at $0.247 and begin trading at $487.71. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. It's always advisable to consult a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. Please note that StockInvest.us is not a reliable source for making investment choices. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and assume responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to StockInvest, where we'll be taking a closer look at the current view of the stock. We'd love to hear your thoughts, so don't forget to comment below and share your opinions. What's your target for the ETF? And if you enjoy this content, please remember to like and subscribe to stay up to date with the latest trading insights. Wishing you successful trading and a beautiful day from all of us here at StockInvest.